Hello all. Today we are going to discuss about how the families from the project we can export them into separate folder. Here I used some families. I created some families and I get into this project. So whatever the families, suppose I will go to this load Autodesk family. To go to the doors, I will place one door. So I will select this and load it. Like this we can use or we can create many families and we can place them into the project. So now to extract all these families into separate folder, just create a folder on the desktop. So I will create a folder on the desktop, and then we can go to the Revit, go to the file, then save as, go to the library, click on the families and select that folder. So don't place directly on the desktop or any other drive because there are a lot of families will be stored. So here you can choose the family to save. You can choose the particular family or you can use all families. So click on save and the file name is as mentioned in the project. So click on the save. It will take some time because it depends on the how many families are there in that project. So once it is done, go to that folder location. So I have saved on the desktop. So I'll minimize it, go to open this folder, and here we have the folder. So this is what I inserted from the Autodesk. So like this we can save all the families easily in a separate folder. We will get all this. Thank you.